If you're seeing white smoke from your Ford EcoBoost and the coolant tank is low with no puddles on the ground, your coolant is leaking in, not out. This is a known issue on 2014 to 2019 Fusion, Escape, and Edge models. The engine block has thin cooling passages between cylinders 2 and 3. Over time, that wall can crack, letting coolant seep into the cylinder. When it burns with the fuel, you get that white, sweet-smelling smoke, especially on a cold start. First, check for misfire codes P0302 or P0303. These will point you to the problem cylinders. Next, do not use a bottle of stop leak. It will clog the small passages in your radiator and heater core, giving you a second, expensive problem to fix. The only permanent repair, confirmed in Ford's TSB 19-2346, is a new short block. The redesigned version uses stronger, cross-drilled passages to prevent this from happening again. Trying a cheap fix will only cause more damage, so confirm the codes before you spend any money.